This video discusses about several lessons in general chemistry, such as matter, phases of matter, atom, and subatomic particles. First is matter. Matter is anything that occupies space or has a volume and has a mass. Example of matter is anything that we see in our surroundings, such as humans and animals. But not all the things considered as matter. There are some things that are not considered as matter because they don't have one of the characteristics of matter like heat from fire and light from sun. They are not considered as matter because light and fire have a volume and they occupy space but they don't have a mass. But even they are not matter, they are formed of energy. There are three phases of matter. The first one is solid. The molecules of solid is fully close to each other and the space between them is small. The example of it is anything that we hold or touch, such as things that we see in our house. The other one is liquid, where the molecules has a larger space between them compared to solid. The liquid phase of matter is the only matter that can flow and copy the shape of its container. The best example of liquid is water. And last, the gas. The molecules of gas is so far apart because of attractive forces between them are insignificant. And this is the only matter that we can't hold and see but we can't feel. The best example of it is air.
The next lesson is atom. This is the basic unit of matter and the smallest unit of element. An atom consists of proton, electron, and neutron. Proton is positively charged particle. It found in the nucleus of an atom. The number of protons is equal to the atomic number of an element. Proton is discovered by British physicist Ernest Rutherford, who came to be known as father of nuclear physics. He discovered proton by using gold foil experiment. He establishes the nuclear theory of an atom with experiment when he shot the beam of alpha particles at a sheet of gold foil. A few of particles were deflected. He concluded that a tiny, dense nucleus was causing deflection.
The other particles of atom is electron, the negatively charged particle that orbits outside the nucleus. Joseph John Thomson was an English physicist that discovered and identified electron. He discovered it by using cathode rays. He estimated the mass of cathode ray by measuring the heat generated when the ray hit a thermal junction and comparing this with the magnetic deflection of the rays.
Last is neutron, the neutral charged particle found inside the nucleus, also discovered by James Chadwick, a British physicist. Chadwick smashed alpha particles into beryllium, a rare metallic element, and allowed the radiation that was released to hit another target, paraffin wax. The experiment results showed a conclusion with beryllium atom would release massive neutral particle which Chadwick named neutron.
For our last lesson, we are here to know how to get the atomic number, proton, electron, neutron, and atomic mass. The atomic number, proton, and electron of an element is all equal, like, for example, in sodium, the atomic number of sodium is 11. So the proton and electron of sodium is 11 also. The atomic mass of an element is equal to atomic number plus the neutron. The atomic number is 11 while the neutron is 12. So 11 plus 12 is 23. The atomic mass is 23 while the neutron is equal to atomic mass minus the atomic number. The atomic number is 11 plus the atomic mass is 23. So 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. So the neutron of sodium is 12. And that's the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching.